Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today let's take a look at how to hook up the channel drain, that micro channel drain around your pool lanai. There's got to be 10, 15 ways to attach this to your drain system. And in this video we're working on an existing system and making some repairs. Okay, so explored this area. Chris dug this out and there is a drain here. They've got some type of fabric around the pipe, but the gravel was on the outside of the pipe, which here in Florida is not a big deal because water passes through the sand very quickly. So they were trying to protect this pipe, but the problem is this is solid pipe. It's not perforated, so no water could actually get into the system at all. It just had this little gravel area that it could actually come through. So we're going to have to make a connection from the channel drain down to this existing pipe, as well as we're going to hook up this downspout and send that over, and it'll all go over to the sump basin and the pump will lift it up. As with many backyard systems that are installed the wrong way, I hate to say that, but you'll find a catch basin, you might find a French drain, and what we're going to do is go ahead and test this line first. So we're going to put some water in here and just see where it goes. We need to explore, find out. Hose running in the catch basin just to double check it, and comes through the existing pipe. I want to make sure that's really working good, and yeah, it's working great. You can see the water coming in and the basin's filling up. It's going to kick on in just a second. So yeah, everything's looking good. Even though the garden hose shows a good flow of water, we're going to jet this line. We always clean the line, and you should do the same. Maintenance, it's so important. So we're going to clean this line using the jetter. Remember how the jetter works. It's got a nozzle that cuts right there. It's hard to see it, but it's got a nozzle. Then it's got jets behind that pull all the debris back as it goes through the line. So we're going to fire that up. You just stick it in, kick it on, you can see that water starting to flow. The mini jetter is, that's readily available on Amazon. Just search for Jet, Mini Jet, and you're going to find this really cheap little product. But it works so good. You can get the hose and the mini jet, the nozzles, for about 40, 50 bucks altogether. And try to get at least 50 feet of hose. That's the real key to this. 100-foot hose is better, but it costs a lot more. But you can see, we're going to clean out this line to make sure that it is in perfect working order before we do anything else. It's the most important thing, maintenance. I say it a lot, maintenance. You need to maintain your French drain, all of your systems. If you do so, you're going to save yourself lots of money. So there are lots of ways to make this type of connection, and even though this is open, there's just so many different ways you can do it. Remember, this is square down at the bottom, and there is a fitting available for this, but I don't carry that on the truck. So what we do is we put a catch basin down here, and it's just a 4-inch 90 with a grate. So as the water comes down the channel drain, it just drops right into the basin, and we use their existing line. It's coming over, it'll tie into the new system and be carried away. But there's probably 10 or 15 different ways that you could make this connection, but this one works really good. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.